Let's jump to the second product award this year. To present this one, I would like to ask jury member Tracy Rowling to join me now. Welcome, Tracy.
Hi.
Hey, so Tracy, this award goes to a pretty versatile service platform, actually, for caregivers and patients. Can you tell us what convinced the jury about this solution?
Sure. I mean, this is a very complex and impressive product, as many of the entries were, but the difference here was that they took their ecosystem thinking quite a bit farther than the average entry. There are two things specifically. Every stakeholder in the ecosystem was very well considered. I mean, you could really see in the details that the product was designed it's a product where you have one digital solution for the customer, another one for customer service, another one for nurses and healthcare workers who are, on the go constantly in the hospital, and then another one even for logistics. So that's a lot of moving parts, and it's a lot of design work to really take the needs of each of those different end users into consideration, and not just focus on the customer or on the doctors. We also were really impressed by the rigor that the team described in the design process. Really, when we read it, they talked about ethnographic research, they talked about piloting, and like Peter said, we were very impressed with the kind of quality of user research, which is, you can't get a great user experience without putting in the work. So really great job, very impressive system.
Thank you very much, Tracy. And the second product award goes to the order management ecosystem by Fresenius Medical Care in Germany. And let's have a look. I'd like to welcome Jerome Gard. Congratulations on this award to you and the entire operations and digital strategy team at Fresenius. Are you here?
Yes, of course. I can hear you and see you. Thank you very much for this award. It's a fantastic achievement that we reached as a team. We are really honored to receive this award for the really hard work that we have done. We started our journey around 2 years ago with the first pilot in one of our nephrocare clinics at Fresenius Medical Care. And since then, we created new service components. We continuously improved existing ones in the cadence of 2-week sprints. And today, our ecosystem enables monthly engagement with over 1,000 home dialysis patients in 2 different countries and many, many other stakeholders. And we actually plan to roll out our ecosystem at least in 5 more countries until the end of this year. And overall, we have already processed more than 10,000 orders and countless other forms, all of which would have been printed out, wasting the resources of our planet. And I'm really, really proud of the team that worked towards our mission to create a digital customer experience that makes the life of our patients, nurses, doctors, and customer service more easy and helps to improve our ecological footprint at Fresenius Medical Care. My special thanks go definitely to the designers in the team that conducted over 150 user tests and countless interviews to build the ecosystem in a truly user-centric way. I want to thank also the developers in the team that worked extremely well in a cross-functional manner together with the designers to evolve early design concepts into coded products and new functionalities. And I'm really thankful for the support that I also received for my line management at Fresenius Medical Care, They believed in our vision, and they had the courage to let us create the ecosystem in a truly design-driven way, which was not so easy to achieve in the very beginning, to gain that trust. And let me also thank to the various people that work behind the scenes. Those are the people that are in sales, marketing, business process re-engineering, IT security, data privacy, legal, and customer service. And I probably forgot some of them, sorry for that. And last but absolutely not least, I want to thank the patients, the nurses, the doctors that committed their time in the middle of the pandemic situation, where they were really facing clinical strategies on a daily basis. So thank you very much. We are really honored to receive the UX Award because it shows that we were able to create outstanding product design and customer experience for our patients and healthcare professionals. So thank you very much. Thanks a lot for the amazing work that the team has done.
Well, Jerome, it is your work and it is your glory. It was a huge amount of research, especially and thinking, as you said, working in this pandemic. And you touched on something very important, which is you need the backing from the top, from management. So we hope for the next steps when you think about enlarging the solution and the service to next countries, you'll have as much positive feedback as you're getting already. We wish you all the best for the continuation.
Thanks a lot.
And the trophy and certificate will be on the way very soon to you too.
Fantastic.